We're replacing this plastic shower filter with this brass shower filter. I'm just sick of these plastic shower filters. They leak all the time. If you never installed a shower filter, I like these inline ones because they can be used with any shower head of your choice. Where there's filtered shower heads, where the filter is actually built into the shower head. I don't like that because then you get kind of a half-cocked shower head. So I go all in on the filter and I go all in on the shower head, but I keep them separate. Oops. And then got a washer in there. Just hand tighten this bad boy right on. Just be careful with this thing. This is a Sprite shower filter we sell on our site. It's solid brass, and if you drop it, well, you might crack your tile or your foot. And you don't want to do either of those things. So just make sure you're careful when you're installing these things. And then we'll just throw this back on. Boom. Okay. Actually, what I like to do with new shower filters, I just take the shower head off and run water through it like this, because there's going to be some black stuff that comes out possibly. Maybe not on this one, not a little bit. There's some carbon in there. Just run it with some hot water for a minute, and then boom, now you have a shower filter that's filtering out chlorine, heavy metals, and all that hard water that makes your hair and skin dry out. So there you go, Sprite shower filter installed in a minute.